Hi everybody, Mr. McDonough here, walking you through the structure of an outline. At the top of your screen, you will see the title. This is where you will place your working title for your paper. You should try to develop a creative and original title for your paper, even if it's not ultimately the title you end up with. Next, right here with the Roman numeral 1 comes the introduction. Beneath the introduction, you will see A, B, C, and then beneath that, if you were to add something further, you would put the numbers 1 and 2. This is something that can automatically be done in Microsoft Word or whatever writing tool you are using. So it might take a little investigating, but I'm sure one of your classmates or I would be happy to help you figure out how to have that automatically change the Roman numerals and letters accordingly. First thing you should have in your introduction is an attention getter. That's where you place an anecdote, a quotation, or an interesting fact. After that, you should transition at some point into your thesis statement. Your thesis statement is the argument you are making. Remember, a thesis statement must be able to be argued two different ways. For example, a fact, such as China has the largest population in the world, is not actually a thesis statement. That is a fact. A stronger thesis would be, because China has the largest population in the world, it has the greatest opportunities for military success of any nation. That could be debated in multiple directions. Number 2, you'll put a body paragraph. This is an example that supports your thesis up here. The main idea of that example should be supported by ideas, those are your words, and supporting quotations that are not your words. These are things that might come from the book you're reading or from other experts in the field of study that you are writing about. You can have multiple main ideas within a body paragraph. They support the same idea that helps to prove your thesis. Additionally, you could have an idea spill over into more than one paragraph if need be. Whether you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 body paragraphs does not matter on papers for this course. However, you need to be sure that each body paragraph has a clear main idea, supporting ideas that you use to explain it, and supporting quotations. Your conclusion comes after you've provided all of your evidence that proves your thesis statement. That's where you will summarize your main points, refer back to the introduction, possibly reference the attention getter you used, and restate your thesis. During this time, in the conclusion, what you do not want to do is to write the exact same thing that you've already written. Instead, you want to offer a fresh perspective on your thesis statement or on the ideas you've brought up. This would be a valuable time to use first-person pronouns, to use your own experiences, or to use some universal fact that everyone reading your paper can relate to. So consider some different ways that you could illustrate your points in your conclusion that sort of bring it back to the full circle, real-world examples. Thanks so much, and good luck writing your outline.